Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? This is your teacher Sir Haris, and again I'm on my Insta to give you the important questions regarding your MCQs paper of AS accounting. You're supposed to appear after 3 to 4 days. If we talk about AS accounting MCQs paper 9706, the first question, because I have prepared the questions for you basically, and the pattern of the questions will remain the same, which I am going to give you. So the first question will come from accounting concept. So generally they used to ask regarding accounting concept that which concept is applied, either skill of a worker, that is for money measurement concept, profit should not be overstated, losses should not be understated, prudence concept. So such type of concept will come in your first MCQs. Then there is another concept, realization concept, that is very important regarding your first MCQs. Realization concept is also very important. For example, if revenue is earned when recorded, so that will go to the realization concept, is going to be the answer. So first question, which accounting concept is being applied? Second question will come from capital and revenue expenditure. It will be given that you need to classify the expense as capital or revenue. It is very easy, one-time expenditure or the expenditure incurred on the purchase of a non-current asset, it's a capital expenditure. Third question and fourth question will come from depreciation. I just want to make you analyze that when there is a question from depreciation or provision for doubtful debts, you should be very much aware of this fact that what type of question is being asked by the examiner. For example, what is the total provision for depreciation at the end of this year? What is the depreciation charge for this year? These are all different questions. Then there is a question coming in the previous paper that depreciation is given, the asset is being sold out after 2 years. What is the cost of the asset? So you have to go reverse. For example, if in straight line method depreciation rate is 10% and 2 years have passed, it means the book value of the asset after 2 years, that is equal to 80% of the cost. I repeat again, if you are selling the asset after 2 years, the book value of the asset after 2 years, according to the 10% percentage, if the rate of depreciation is 10%, so first year 10%, second year 10%, so the book value of the asset is equal to 80% of the cost of the asset. So book value of the asset divided by 0.8 divided by 80%, you will get the cost of the asset. But in diminishing balance method, you have to go reverse in both the cases, step by step. Then part exchange, there can be a question regarding part exchange in MCQs. Yes, that he may say you that a new